Welcome everyone. On this channel, I'm going to show you step by step how I convert the school bus into an off-grid home. I'm not a professional bus builder, plumber, electrician, or fabricator, so if I can do it, you can too. I'm going to be living in the bus at an RV park while attempting this conversion. I'm going to break the channel down into 3 playlists. One will be bus maintenance, the other will be step-by-step conversion episodes documenting a lot of technical details along the way, and the third will just be a general bus conversation. So let's jump into it with a tour. Alright, so here is my yellow brick. Let's check out the engine. So it is a 7.3 liter diesel V8. Runs pretty good. I drove it 16 hours back from Arizona where I bought it. It's pretty clean, low miles, 65,000 miles on the bus. Has a 5-speed Allison transmission. Paint's in pretty good shape. I'm gonna paint it though, obviously. I gotta get rid of this yellow. It is 31 feet long, so it's about 9 or 10 feet shorter than a full-size school bus. So there it is. Let's take a tour of the inside. So the previous owner, they semi-converted it. They just put some basic walls in an AC unit. So I kind of put my stuff in here for now. But I'm going to tear all this out. Raise the roof, insulate it, solar, the whole 9 yards. Alright, so I just wanted to give you all more of an idea of what I'm planning for this bus. So, I mean, there's a lot of ways you could convert a school bus, air quotes, right? You know, you could call what I have now a conversion, but I really plan on going all out with this. So here's a basic layout. So up here, that's the steering wheel, the driver's area. And then this is behind the driver's seat, so something like a couch, fold-out couch, or dinette here. And then maybe a desk here. And then here is going to be a sink and a what you call an L shape kind of countertop here. And then behind that will house the toilet, bathroom sink, shower. And on the opposite side, maybe a closet, and an area for the washer and dryer. And then down the hall here will be a queen size bed. So yeah, that's the basic layout. It may change, but I also have a list here of all the appliances that I want to include, so I can start planning for the electrical system. So yeah, as you can see, I've already started the first video of the conversion. I tore out a couple windows here to get some measurements, but that video will be coming out in a week or two. So like, subscribe, and turn the notification on if you want to follow this build. Appreciate it. Thank you.